What's up guys? Hello, welcome back to another video on my channel. I'm Khalandar. I'm a local YouTuber from Goa and I like to visit new places, check out new places and share that information with you. So if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button so that you get all our notifications. Today we are here at Baga Beach and what a lovely day. It's around 3:15. Lovely breeze out here. Oh, this is amazing. Goa is open for tourists, guys, and as you know, there are no restrictions now for COVID. You do not need a COVID test to come to Goa, and there is no quarantine required. So the tourist season has well begun. We are into November. देख सकते हैं सादिया ने अपनी जगह बना ली है. She There is plenty of parking space here in Baga Beach. They say you can park around 800 cars out here. It's pay parking. As you can see, there is a tourist information center here. So if you have any queries, you can please come here. Out there is public amenities like washrooms and changing rooms. So if you have to change, you can easily change here. So I like this concept here that you can change here.
सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि यहाँ पर पार्किंग के सामने ही वॉशरूम है, सो दैट हम लोग चेंज भी कर सकते हैं इधर. सो वहाँ पे बीच पे अगर हम लोग भीग भी गए तो यहाँ पर आकर चेंज करके अपनी गाड़ी में बैठ सकते हैं आराम से सुकून से. ये फैसिलिटी मुझे यहाँ की बहुत अच्छी लगी.
So how to get to Baga Beach? If you are at Calangute Beach, it is 5 kilometer distance from the nearest Calangute Beach, which is the closest beach out here. If you want to get to Baga Beach, you can come here by public transport or private taxi, or you can also hire a bike, which is quite cheap. So by public transport, it will be around 30 to 90 rupees, depending on your adult or a child. So from Panjim, this is around 16 to 17 kilometers, Baga Beach, and from the Goa airport around 45 to 50 kilometers. This beach is famous for its water sports like banana riding, banana boat and paragliding. Right now the business is quite down because of COVID, but slowly the tourists are picking up. So I think this is the best time to come to Goa, November to March, because this is the peak season out here. But international tourists are quite few because of no international flights. Only a very handful of tourists you will see, but majority of tourism season in Goa this time has been of domestic and local public. So lots of domestic tourists out here. Guys, Baga Beach is famous for its nightlife out here. So quite ahead in the next lane you will find the Tito's lane, which is the most famous and happening nightlife place in Goa. So Tito's lane is also at Baga. Quite a good photographic spot out there. There far you can see the Baga Beach sign there. So right now we are hungry, so let's have something to eat. Baga Beach is famous for water sports. So you can see these are the prices currently after lockdown. Parasailing is 800 rupees, dolphin trip 2000, jet ski is 300 per person, boat ride is 350, speedboat is 2000. So you can check this out here. If you have to rest, these lovely umbrellas are installed here for all the tourists here. So I think for a nominal fee you can just lay down and rest. So right now it is 4 PM and you can see the lovely Baga Beach out here. Right now is the post-COVID period and like you can see most of them are not wearing masks, so I still feel risky. So if you maintain distance, if you want to stay safe, please wear your mask and follow all guidelines, guys, because as a tourist, if you are infected with COVID already, let me tell you, Goa has been stretched out with its health services. So in case in a tourist place, if you don't get good support and good health care, that can be very bad experience for you. So I just pray that all of you who come to Goa are safe and have a very safe holiday in Goa. So please come to Goa, because most of the people's livelihood depends on the tourism sector, because Goa is a big tourism destination. The water levels are safe right now. Lots of people swimming in the sea. So you can see the lifeguard going in the jeep and keeping a watch on all the public out here. So right behind the Baga Beach we see the famous Brito's restaurant. So if you've not been here, please try out this place. It's one of the most famous places out here in Baga. And next to Brito's, you can see here is the St. Anthony's restaurant and bar. Both places are quite full and very famous out here. The beach is so vast. Like I said earlier, the umbrellas that are kept behind here, they are charged 100 rupees. So if you are tired from the sun, just want to take a quick rest, you can just pay 100 rupees and have a good rest. They also offer massage. So I would not advise during COVID time, but if you wish to take that risk, you can go ahead and take a massage. I don't know the prices of the massage, so you can explore that on your own. So along with the most famous restaurants out here in Baga Beach, there are some small shacks here, quite famous here. So they are also running with full flow. The cleanliness of the beach is well maintained out here. You can see if you want to get a tattoo, even in Baga Beach you will have a lot of options to get a permanent or a temporary tattoo. देखो ये लड़की इनसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रही है जेट स्की में बैठने के लिए, फोटो के लिए।
फोटो बोली मुझे, चला
भाई इसको मत दे परमिशन, शेमलेस। Yo, with this we come to the end of another video. So if you like this video, please like and share, and also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you get all our updates. Okay, so see you, bye bye in the next video. Take care.